The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States Police Department. The Backrooms entity monster was Entity Mouse aka Mickey Mouse. The puppet was 4 feet poop. Oops.
You gotta be kidding me, Tom. This is the 4th time this week. Sorry everyone, the alert stopped because I was confused with Tom. I had to kick him out for 7 days. He needs to stop being weird. Anyways, the Entity Mouse was 4 feet tall. He has red pants, with white glove. He also has a nose, with a tail, and mouse ears. He was known as a Mickey Mouse puppet. And the draw of the Entity Mouse puppet was drawn in 1993. We don't know what month or day in 1993, the Backrooms level was Level House. I think we are gonna take a short break. Stay tuned for more information. The Entity Mouse has just went to a different Backrooms level. It is level fun. The mouse was around in Backrooms level fun. Repeat, the mouse was around in Backrooms level fun. Stay tuned for more information.
Rally!
Be a snail.
I knew it! Oh, Squid, did you hear that?
We change our EAS alert sound back to normal because it was low pitch. By the way, the Entity Mouse is really in the city. Has going around to the city to kill people. If you are an innocent person, don't go near him. Go to your homes, lock your doors, close your windows, go down to the basement, get some water and foods and snacks, and just devices and battery charger. Stay tuned for more information of emergency danger message. This is not a test. Repeat, this not a test. The mouse is killing billions of people. Do not go outside. Please, do not go outside. So please understand me. The mouse is going everywhere in every like Indiana, Texas, New Jersey, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, New Mexico, and many more. Stay tuned for more information when this attack is over. Everything is all clear. Repeat, everything is all clear. The Entity Mouse, as known the Mickey Mouse puppet, has been destroyed. Yes, finally. We are safe. Other million people survive. We can get back to our normal programming, but wait, I need a question. I call Tom that I change my mind that he will be fired for 4 months. Have a nice day.